one of you? And let me know whoever is doing. Okay, so you begin. Thank you, Mehak. So,
Welcome.
so today we take up the new heading, the tenses. Now, in that, we will be covering the simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense. Okay. Now, these three are very important. Why? Because they are telling you the simple form of a verb which is to be used in the present tense, in the past tense, and in the future tense. Future tense. Like simple example, you take up a word, say eat. Okay. Now, I eat. मैं खाती हूँ. Now, this eat is telling you about the present. I ate. Now, this ate is telling you about the past. I will eat. Now, this will eat is telling you about the future. Okay? So, this is the simplest possible way in which it is shown. The tense. Tense means time. So, at what time a particular event happened is shown through these tenses and their forms. So, the easiest is the simple present, simple past, and simple future. Now, there are other ways also. Present continuous. That means this word continuous is telling you that particular action was, is, and will be in progress. That means जो हो रहा है वो होता जाएगा. Like supposing for present continuous, we will take the word eat only and we'll say I am eating. मैं खा रही हूँ. That means I'm still doing that. Okay. Past continuous. I was eating. मैं खा रही थी. That means in the past the action was a prolonged action, was in progress. And for future, I will be eating. मैं खाऊंगी. Okay. Whereas for simple present, we said I eat. For present continuous, we said I am eating. ing was added to this. I dance. I am dancing. I play. I am playing. Let's come on to this one. I ate. Simple present, a simple past was I ate. So past continuous was will be I was eating. I ate. I was eating. I danced. I was dancing. I cook. I cooked. I was cooking. Was and ing were the key words which told you that the action happened in the past. And ing is the common factor in continuous. Let's talk of future. Simple future, I told you, I will eat. Here, future continuous will be I will be eating. मैं खाना खाऊंगी. That means whenever I'll be eating in progress. Present, perfect. Past, perfect. Future, perfect. Then there is another present, perfect continuous. Past, perfect continuous. Future, perfect continuous. This portion I will tell you after we cover these two headings. Is this much clear to you? Through simple one example, I have tried to show you this much. This much is also very easy, but let us just first confine to these many, the simple ones and the continuous ones. Then we'll move on to perfect and perfect continuous. Okay? All are easy. Once you understand them properly, you will never ever make a mistake in your tenses. While you're using it in your English vocabulary, while you're writing things, you will be aware of the words, how to use them. Now let us come to the heading, simple present tense. I walk, I play, anything. I walk to school every day. See, simple present. I walk. I usually play for an hour after school. Play. ये सब present में. So how is it working? Do ya does, the subject and the first form of the verb and rest of the predicate. So see here, I, subject, first form of the verb walk. The actual form of the word is walk. ठीक है ना? Walking, walked, these are the past and the continuous tenses, but the basic word, the first form means the basic keyword is walk. So it is used, and then the rest of the sentence, to school every day. Okay, so it is that simple. Now there are some other examples also. The universal truth, that means वो चीजें जो हमेशा सच हैं. That means the sun rises in the east. Now, every time it will rise in the east. So rises will be present, simple present. The earth revolves around the sun. Now it will always revolve. It's a basic truth, universal truth. So it will revolves as the simple present. Now programs and timetables. The flight lands at 6 p.m. So landed is the past. Will land is the future. Okay. Ends. The play ends is the present, simple present. Ended is past, and will end is the future. Okay. We also use simple present tense with time expressions, like when we are talking about time. In the morning, in the evening, in September, example. Now let us see. The sea route to Santorini is closed in December. Is the word which is telling you. Closed is not. Is the word which is telling you that it is in the simple present. Okay. I like to have a cup of tea while sitting in the morning sun. I like is the key word, the action done here, which is telling you in the simple present. On Fridays, mornings, on weekends, etc. I go for a walk, for a long walk on Friday evening. So go is the basic word, which is in simple present. Past of go is went. Okay, go का past क्या है? Gone and went. Okay, I had gone. लेकिन had लगेगा उसमें, तो इसलिए go का past immediate क्या है? I went. I go is the present, simple present. I went is a simple past. I will go is a simple future. Did you get it? Okay. Now we come on to the present continuous tense. So they are telling you about simple present, and now they are telling you about the present continuous of simple tense. Let us see. Of simple tense नहीं, of present. The present continuous they are talking of. That means ing लगेगा इसमें. देखो, be word subject होगा, be word होगा. That means the action would be done. Then the present participle of the main verb ing लगेगा, and then the rest of the predicate. Let us see. Mom is traveling to Kanpur on a train right now. Mom is the subject, is traveling. That means the action is still in continuation, is still in progress. So this ing told you, is told you that it is in the present, and ing told you that it is in the continuous tense. Okay, Smita is eating a donut. So Smita is the subject, is the present word which is telling you, and eating is the word which is telling you it is in continuation. Okay, donut and the rest of the sentence is the predicate. So now let's come on to the exercise A. Complete the sentences with the simple present tense form of the verb in the bracket. Whatever word is given, you have to keep it in simple present, not present continuous, simple present. The sun dash a star. B is a star. मान लो यहाँ पे सिंपल पास्ट होता तो क्या लिखते? द सन वॉज अ स्टार. फ्यूचर होता सिंपल फ्यूचर, द सन विल बी अ स्टार. Okay, but the correct is they want simple present, so is the word. I dash to sleep at 9:30 every night. I go. अगर past होता तो क्या लिखती? I went to sleep. Okay, future होता तो क्या? I will go to sleep. But they want simple present, so it is go. Did you understand this much? Should I now take up the exercise without going into the details of past and future also. So I begin. My sister's flight lands at 10:40 tonight. Number 4, the Gulf of Finland is a sight to behold in the winter. Number 5, I usually visit sea beaches in the winter months. Visit. What time does Ria go for her dance classes? Complete the sentences with present continuous. Yani ki ing will be here, is, am, are will be here. So let us see. I can't hear you. I dash to music. I am listening. That means the action is being done in the present, am ho gaya, and it is continued, continuous tense, listening. I'm still listening. I'm carrying on. Okay? Sujata is eating vegetarian food today. Junaid and I are performing. Are telling you present, performing. Perform covered, performing. Okay? This perform is a simple present word. But when you are writing ing to it, it is turning present continuous. Next, she is staying at my house for a month. Stay is a simple present word. But the moment you write is, it tells you present, ing, continuous. Dhruv is not attending college these days. Number 6, I'm traveling by a train right now. I can barely hear you. Let me call you back. I'm traveling. A exercise, B exercise, both to be done here only. Coming to C, use simple present tense or present continuous tense to complete. That means now you have an option. You can either use simple present or you can use present continuous wherever the situation demands. Let us see. Don't forget your raincoat. It is raining. Is raining is what? Is it simple present or is it present continuous?
Ma'am, present continuous.
Very good. Very good. Next, I love living in Cherrapunji because the weather is cool and it is always raining there. Is always raining. What is it? Simple present or present continuous?
Present continuous.
Very good. I'm sorry, I can't hear what you are saying because everybody is talking. Are saying and is talking. What are they?
Ma'am, present continuous.
Both of them are present continuous. Now see here the fourth one. Usually I work as a secretary of XYZ every summer, but this summer I am studying German at a language school in Germany. That is why I'm in Berlin. So now see, work, is it simple present or is it present continuous?
Ma'am, simple present.
Very good. I'm studying.
Present continuous.
Very good. May I know your name, please?
Ma'am, Taura.
Tahura, thank you for responding. It gives me a lot of encouragement. Next, Jatin, do you want to come over for dinner tonight? Disha, oh, I'm sorry, I can't. I am going to a movie tonight with some friends. I'm going. What is it?
Present continuous.
Very good. This delicious chocolate is made by a small chocolatier in Switzerland. Is, come on.
No, present
Ma'am,
continuous.
present.
No, where is ing here?
Ma'am, simple present.
Simple present. Okay. So now in this C exercise, you will do the fourth one and the sixth one. Am I clear to each one? Now for the writing part in this tenses, you will write the tenses. You will quickly write that tense means time. Tense means time. You will write this as a heading. Then after that, you write the simple present tense. And then you will write the format. how it is written. This much. After that, you will write the present continuous tense and you will just write the format. Okay. After that, A and B you will do in your books. C exercise number 4 and 6 you will do in the copy. Is this much clear to each one of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we move on further. Here they have told you state and stative words. That means those words which basically state and again, the state verbs are verbs that do not usually have a continuous form. They are just as basic as they are. Okay, they don't have that ing attached to them. Feel is basically a basic word, though we say feeling. Okay, but feels is the real word. Here, verbs of the senses like feel, hear, see, smell, taste, scan, could are often used with these words, can and could. Okay, let me tell you. Please speak louder. I can't hear you. See, can't is helping, can and can't. So they are used with them. Next, verbs of feelings and emotions feel, want, desire, like, dislike, fear, love, hate, care, wish, respect, appreciate. Now, they are also used in the simple present. Alka hates sardines. Okay, now hates. Next, verbs of mental states like agree, disagree, all these words. Okay, then next is verbs showing possession. That means belongs, owns, possesses. Gandhi belongs to a generation of selfless freedom fighters. So belongs. Okay, then verbs like seem, appear, cost, consist, contain, resemble. Example, the dish contains mushroom. It's a simple present. Now, some state verbs have both simple and continuous forms. However, the meanings of the same verb in these two contexts are different. I told you, these are the basic words. And when you use them, though you use them, taste has a continuous word like tasting. But then the word differs in its meaning altogether. Like, see, the cucumber tastes fresh and crunchy. Cucumber, खीरा कैसा टेस्ट कर रहा है फ्रेश एंड क्रंची अब देखो डैड इज टेस्टिंग द कॉफी उसको चख रहे हैं ठीक है इज टेस्टिंग this is the action this is the state verb basic verb this is the action ing verb and the meaning has to change a little now thinks thinking feels feeling has having is having see are seeing, smells is smelling, enjoys, enjoying, are enjoying, based on the number of singular or plural. The kids are really enjoying. The kid is really enjoying. So it depends upon the singular and plural. Looks like, is looking. Okay, come to the D exercise. Choose the present simple or present continuous form of the given verbs. Remember to notice the use to see if they are state verbs. Okay, so here you are with it. She takes a bath every evening. So it is a state verb. Take. Mom is smelling the flowers to see if they are fresh enough for the party. Is smelling is a testing action verb. Okay. Next. Where's couple? He is seeing, that means he is meeting the doctor now. Next, I do not think that's a good idea. Now in brackets, right, to possess. Number 5, he has a party on the weekend. Has is a basic word. Next, this coffee does not taste right. It's a basic word. Number 7, we are seeing, that means meeting, Dinesh and Anjali next weekend. Number 8, what do you think about the film we just watched? Exercise D is also to be done in the book. Moving further. Number 9, she has a headache. Number 10, it is cold today. Number 11, they do not have a car. Number 12, I can't see anything. I can't work for this microscope. I can't work this new microscope. Sorry. Number 13, the waiter is tasting the wine now. Number 14, she can't be a doctor. Number 15, what is that child doing? B, he is dancing. 16, are you hungry? Do you want a sandwich? Number 17, she thinks about the incident all the time. Number 18, I am having fun today. Number 19, I see Jatin every Tuesday. Number 20, I have an idea. Number 21, Achoo. B, God bless you. Have a cold. 22, they often watch a film on Fridays. 23, how's the cake? B, it tastes funny. 24, you are having a good time at the moment. 25, the chief always tastes the food before he serves it. 26, A, Savita has been offered a new job. B, is she going to take it? A, she does not know. She is thinking about it. So this D exercise also you will do in the book only. Now, this part we will begin in the next, and I will explain it to you the perfect and the perfect continuous together. This part and this part I will take in one class and I'll explain this part together. Just I explain these two, I'll explain these two in the next class. Is this much clear to each one? I would request if you have any problem, please do let me know right now. Do you have any problem? Have you understood? Is everything clear to each one of you?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So Mehak, you can end the class. You can stop the recording.